marketing is also key. Share engaging content on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Post beautiful pictures of your fish, recipes,
and behind the scenes.
glimpses of your farm to captivate your audience. Additionally, build an email list and send informative newsletters about your products, promotions, and sustainable practices. Email marketing is a powerful tool to stay
Connected with your customers.
and here are some additional.
Marketing tips to enhance your strategy.
Develop a strong brand identity by creating a logo and consistent branding that reflects your farm's values and resonates with your target market. When it comes to packaging and labeling,
Invest in
attractive and informative options that highlight your brand, freshness, and any certifications your fish may have.